Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into the Vechain chart right now. Just once again, thank you very much for all the continued support across the channel, all the really nice comments, all the really great feedback that I'm getting for these videos. I'm glad that you're finding them educational. It's helping you in your learning curve of what is crypto and what is trading. Okay, it's not always going to be right. We've not got a crystal ball, but technical analysis helps us understand, and you can sort of lay out support and resistance and do that with that information what you want. So it's all good. It's all good. Okay, so I'm glad that it's helping people. That's the point of this. And please do keep sharing. Okay, keep sharing. Sharing is caring. And I do see that people are sharing these videos on Twitter, on Facebook, and social media platforms, and bringing more people into the channel and making more people aware of what goes on in these crypto spaces here. Okay, so thank you very much. Basically, Vechain, as we said yesterday, you're potentially looking at getting caught in this kind of channel here where the EMA starts to creep up. If you was to reference yesterday's video, I said if we don't get the breakout, you will see us fall back to the EMAs and retest them as support, and you may see this EMA start to creep up, and it'll be forcing us into a kind of position, because what you're looking at here is Vechain is really strong. I'm not going to lie to you. Vechain is really strong. We've got a really good recovery on the go there. We've gone up, we've got rejected off that high there, but we are looking really strong, because I am potentially seeing another pattern for Vechain, and I will show you that in a minute. Okay, just because I'm going to keep you updated constantly. We've already spoken about in a previous video about our breakdown targets. Okay, so we don't really need to discuss them again, but for those of you not aware, I'll just drop them in quickly just so you are aware. And also there's been comments where you can't see this number when I drop these targets in, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and zoom in on those in the videos that I edit. So basically, you need the support target. So if you was to lose this level of support now, you would be looking at a breakdown for Vechain, and you go from the top to the base there of the M pattern, and basically a 21% breakdown. So I will drop that in now. Okay, so if you was to lose that, you would potentially see Vechain hit that bottom there. Okay, and that target is there, just so you're aware. Okay, you've got that target down there, which is a 20% correction. If it was to break down, lose this level of support, okay, which is the support of the double M top pattern, but at the moment it looks like we may have invalidated that, and I will discuss that further, because you basically made a high there. So basically it's not a double top anymore. Okay, so that's effectively not necessarily going to play, but you do need to still target it as a level of support if you was to get the breakdown. That's what you have to do, guys. In your technical analysis there, you always have levels of support, because once it starts to lose it, you can jump out the trade and effectively buy back in when it hits that level, because patterns are always validated until they're invalidated. Okay, and I will try and help you understand that in these videos, that patterns that are there are valid until they're invalidated. And now potentially looking at a new pattern for Vechain. Okay, so effectively, you've got this cup and handle type of pattern where it's gone down like that, it's found a base and it's come up, it's formed this handle type pattern there. Okay, which is good. So you've got the handle which is broken down, and it's come back up, it starts to come back up. Okay, and you sort of starting to hit that the neckline of this cup and handle, which is like this. Okay, that's your neckline, which is effectively that resistance line, okay, that we've come up against. So that's your neckline of the cup and handle, and what it is, it breaks down and then starts to come back up. But what you can see, I think there was a bit of a correction in Bitcoin or something. Again, Bitcoin, you're flying in your charts on a particular project, and also see it go like this, and you're like, oh my god, Bitcoin must have crashed again. And Bitcoin sort of invalidates patterns and drags various different crypto projects down. It's such an anomaly in this space, is Bitcoin. So, but that's crypto. It's entertaining. It keeps you on the edge of your seat. So effectively, what's really healthy here, we have come down. We are hugging this 20 EMA on the 4-hourly time frame. As we did say, you're potentially looking at, and you are getting this sort of EMA creeping up towards this resistance line. Okay, which again is good. So you're going to potentially be forced into some kind of move here for Vechain over the next couple of days, where you're going to see this level of consolidation moving up, unless we get the breakout. You can see that the volume's tailing off as well. That's always indicative of a push, of a move, whether that's to the upside or the downside. Okay, but what's strong here, we are getting held up by the EMAs, and you can see the EMAs creeping up. So as the EMA creeps up, it's going to force Vechain to, you know, obviously keep holding it as support, get close to this level, and hopefully we can get that breakout and break above this neckline of this cup and handle that we've found, okay, that is forming on the 4-hourly time frame, because I'll show you the target of that cup and handle, and that's basically confluence in itself. Okay, you do look for confluence. So what you've got is effectively from this neckline of cup and handle down to where it hit the you know, the bottom. Okay, so sort of something like that, and you can see that if we get the breakout that we're looking for, this validates this target that we've targeted anyway. Okay, off the WW top, off a double top. So it looks good, okay, but we do need to see ourselves pushing up, okay, pushing up, and then breaking this neckline as resistance, okay, and back testing as support, okay. So you need to see us creep up, break through, back test as support, and, you know, break that all-time high as well, and then march on, and that's your eventual target up there for Vechain. At the moment, the market's really healthy, okay. There's no reason to suspect that you are going to see a breakdown. We've basically invalidated this double top here, okay. This is called a double top, like this, okay. So you've gone up, you create that M-type pattern there, okay, and you started to break down, and you looked as though you're going to lose the support of the double top, which is there. You were breaking down, you know, and we did post the breakdown targets in the video there, but what you've done, which is really strong for Vechain, is broke up, back test the support, back testing the EMAs as well, really good. Look, you've got real strong support for your EMAs. So effectively, you look like you are creeping up. I'm going to test that level of resistance there, back test the support, and march onto that target. So it looks good, but always be aware of the breakdown targets, okay, and that's what we deliver in this channel, okay. You know, you can have a bullish bias, that's great, but you've always got to have your common sense as well. You know, the market can break down at any time, and you are fully aware of that. You know, and they're great trading opportunities in themselves, because, you know, if you did see this breakdown right now, okay, where Vechain sort of lost this, we had a larger correction on the grand scale of things where Bitcoin just shit the bed, because, you know, it can do that. Then it dragged the entire market down. You know that you're targeting this level here, okay, and I'll drop that in for you. I'll make that a bit better. You are targeting this level here as a key level of support, okay. So you start to lose that with volume, okay. You start to lose that key level of support, and then back test it as resistance. You're looking at a larger correction, and effectively what you can do is short it, okay. And that's how traders make money, because you're getting the signals that it's going to go down, okay. So you short the market, and effectively, you know, you are looking at a 27% short if it was to break down. So in this channel, I'm going to teach you how to make money when it's going up, and I'm going to teach you how to make money when it's going down, okay. It's not just all about going, obviously we all want it to go up. It's easier to make money when it's going up, because you hold it and it just appreciates, and obviously when it's going down, you're holding it, it's depreciating. So, but you can make money on the way down, okay. I just want to make you aware of that, and I'll hopefully give you the skill sets and teach you how to do that in this channel, okay. So if you stay with the channel, I'll show you where the shorts are, and I'll show you where the longs are. So effectively, you know, you're looking now, if you was not involved in Vechain, you look for the break of this resistance, okay. So I will try and keep you updated as best as I can. So you look for that level break of resistance there where it starts to creep up. It will go above it, back test as support, okay, because you always want to see that, okay. And that is a fantastic area to get involved for a long position there. You could open a long leverage position. Not financial advice, guys. I don't give financial advice. I don't tell you what to do. I'm just giving you skill sets and tools and showing you potential trades, okay. So what you do, you execute your trades on confirmation of things, okay. That's what you do. Some people are wild, and they'll go in there, they think it's going to the moon, they'll just open a long here, you know, and good luck to you. But it can go up there, okay. You're looking at 27% trade, but it could equally break down, and you get liquidated, okay. So what you do, you always wait for those signals of confirmation that the trend is your friend. At a minute, on the grand scheme of things, the trend is our friend, and you could just basically hold and go to the beach, okay. But if you want to make money swing trading, intra trading and stuff like that, or increase your position, I see so many people in the comments there on all my videos that are thanking me because they've actually increased their positions, they've increased their holdings from following the guidance on my videos, and that is also what I'm trying to hopefully do to you, you know, is educate you on how to increase your positions. It can be a little bit risky, swing trading, if that's what you're looking to do, but hopefully, you know, if you follow the rules of trading, then you can see you push up, back test as support before it marches on, and then when you get that signal, back test the support, and you get that close, you know that you're looking at that potential target, providing there's no breakdowns. And again, you know, if it was to break down, lose these EMAs and come down, and then lose this level of support, and then back test it as resistance, that's a strong signal to say, you know, open a short position, and that's your potential target. So, and obviously with leverage trading, you know, you can get 5x, 3x, 10x, whatever you're into. You know, always do your own research, okay, and always know what you're doing, and risk management as well. So basically that's it. I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you found that educational. I'm getting a lot of good comments about people are finding these videos really educational. But at the moment, Vechain's looking really strong, okay? Looking really good. I'm not going to lie to you and say that it's not, because I would be lying to you if I said it doesn't look really strong. One thing I always like to see, and I did outline that yesterday, okay, is these EMA retests. I really like to see them, because you got it here, okay, you got two here after quick succession, okay, and it just shows you how strong the trend can be. When you get a bullish cross there, starts to come up, okay, this is the EMA, you get the bullish cross where the yellow line crosses the red line, it comes back, you want to see that repel, because look what it does. It sort of validates this entire bullish move, okay, and then it starts to break down again, and you got another repel, and look at that, a thing of beauty, just absolutely pushed it up, okay. So the EMAs are really important, and as you can see, you formed another bullish cross there after that correction. You got the bearish cross, okay, went down, found some kind of bottom there, and then you've pushed on, you got that little bullish cross there, and you've never looked back. And it's gone all the way up there. But what you've had, that correction there, when it's gone up and rolled over and started to come back, you've had an EMA retest. Okay, so that's really good, because what you potentially got on the cards, okay, not financial advice and not definite, but what you've got, okay, you potentially look at this like that, okay, where it's gone up and had a retest. In the future, that will probably look something like that, okay. Well, it's come down, it's had the bearish cross, the correction, formed a bullish cross, okay, which you've got up there, that bullish cross. You've had that little EMA retest, and you've just gone up. And you know, that's what you're potentially looking at, where you've had the bullish cross, the bearish cross, then the bullish cross, the correction, pumped up, the EMA retest, and then you've marched on. So that's what you always want to see, where these EMAs do retest, they sort of squeeze together and they repel one another. Shows that the trend's really good. And then obviously always, you know, if it's to roll over and you're looking at bearish cross, then that is a really strong sell signal. Okay, enough rambling on. Sorry I'm boring you, but hopefully, you know, you can take something from that video. Do stay tuned to the channel, and I will bring another update on Vechain tomorrow. Thanks once again for all your sharing. Sharing is caring in the community, in the channel here, and I'll catch you soon. Take care. Bye bye.